Yeah, I can able to.
Yeah, so we have
Mm.
this thing going on currently. So if you see,
LWC.
yeah, that's something different. I haven't gone much deeper till now. I've just
Okay.
give covered these things only
Okay.
and this only. So
Okay.
in the upcoming sessions we'll be covering this one. So this is the start of
Okay.
admin. So
Admin.
we've finished only two modules as of now.
Okay.
These all are kind of theoretical part.
Okay.
They give you the information about what Salesforce does to the clients, like why
Oh.
it's popular in the companies, right?
Mm-hmm.
Covering those part. So, but I haven't went much here, just still
Mm.
here.
Okay. Then finish these topics in weekdays. Then I'll join with them later.
Yeah, yeah. But you're saying you are only available on one day, right?
Yeah. Sunday I will be available. Saturday, not possible.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
cool. So today I will give you the introduction, okay? What
Okay.
basically Salesforce is, okay, and what
Mm-hmm.
what we will covering and how much time it will take, and the
Mm-hmm.
market, and any questions you are having regarding the course and why you joined the course, and any other you know whatever you're thinking about the Salesforce, and any recommendations you've got from anyone to join the Salesforce, that will discuss, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So basically we have two parts of Salesforce course. So and then
Mm-hmm.
the first part will cover the Salesforce admin. So
Mm-hmm.
basically this is a point and click tool for you, which you don't need any coding and anything, okay? So you will
Okay.
be just you'll be just I'll give you the introduction about like how you can operate the software. So Salesforce is nothing but just a software CRM tool, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Do you are from MBA background, right? Marketing,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
So
Not
from the job,
marketing, HR.
which specialization you hold in the MBA?
HR.
HRship.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I
Mm.
think we have this Salesforce software which companies can use it to optimize their
Mm.
business.
Mm.
Okay, so I'll be going from here, like what exactly what Salesforce exactly will provide you to in order to help in growing your business. And you know
Mm.
that there are in the Fortune 500 companies, 90% companies are using Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's a
Oh.
very big market. Ecosystem is very big right now.
Mm. Mm.
So people are getting advantage or they after see they have seen the growth or revenue growth in their business after starting Salesforce.
Mm-hmm.
Companies before they was not taking the Salesforce, and the revenue was less
Mm-hmm.
means like it was less when they start using Salesforce and they got the revenue high compared to
Okay.
the before. That's why it's
Mm.
famous. See, the reason is you do you have any knowledge of what CRM, the client relationship management?
No.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
So basically
Client
each and
or
every
customer relationship management or client relationship?
it's a client.
Client. Oh, okay.
So basically every company you run,
Mm.
you need a CRM tool basically,
Okay.
okay, to operate your business. The reason is you will not be able to hold the details of a client in an Excel sheet, right?
Yeah.
So you need a proper software which you will from there you can manage data of your business, correct?
Mm-hmm.
See,
Mm.
if you want to see the details of your customers, right? So not each and every time will manually will add the data into the Excel sheet and do that, right? Because you
Mm.
need if you have a customer list, then only you can provide them the service, correct? For
Yeah.
example, let's say I just bought a Sony camera. So
Mm.
in the Sony system, they'll take my they'll take my name and everything, and they'll create an account for me, correct? Because
Yeah.
I'm the customer of persons, right?
Mm.
The same thing, so let's say you have a thousands of or lakhs of customer, right? Then it is very difficult to give them or it will be very difficult for you to gather the information in Excel or these old fashioned databases,
Yeah.
correct? So
Mm.
Salesforce provide you in a single software tool, you can manage your all the sales information,
Mm-hmm.
like how many leads got generated in a month or whatever the time period you want, how many leads got converted into the account and all. Leads,
Mm-hmm.
you mean leads, right? What is leads?
No
Leads
idea.
means customers, like list of customers.
Yeah.
Basically,
Mm.
Salesforce provide you the way, where you can manage all the customer information. Like, let's say, okay, let's give you an example.
Mm.
Let's say you want to start a company, okay? You have product.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It knows you in the market right now. The first step, what you will do? You have to
I
launch.
I'll advertise that product.
Correct. So advertisement means marketing, right? You will do the marketing, correct?
Mm. Yeah.
So to manage all the marketing information, we have
Mm.
a software called Marketing Cloud inside Salesforce. We have a application
Okay.
or it's all see you've used Netflix or Hotstar or something.
Yeah, we use.
Yeah. So basically, what happens is they're a subscription based model, right? You have to
Yeah.
pay monthly subscription or yearly, right?
Yeah.
The same applies to Salesforce also. It's a subscription based model. You can take the license
Okay.
for a year or for a month or whatever, and you can use the
Mm-hmm.
services. The same. What
Oh.
Netflix is provide. Netflix is an entertainment channel, or this is a
Mm-hmm.
CRM. That's a
Oh.
difference, okay? So
Mm-hmm.
what happens is, let's say you want to
Okay.
advertise a product, so you have to advertise for an advertisement part. You must be having a team, right?
Yeah.
Who's working on the product, and after that, what you will do, you will just launch a product in different cities, right? First of all, like
Mm.
you will address the marketing team that
Mm.
okay, the Manchester or somewhere, like you can consider it like okay,
Mm.
Manchester and London or whatever, like the cities you want to uh, you know give the campaign, you will be running the campaign, right? So all this information you can store in a single software, okay? In the Salesforce you can store it, like how many campaign are running currently, how many
Mm.
budget is going on, means like what is a see every marketing or the advertisement takes budget, right?
Yeah.
You have to spend some amount from the marketing right now. You know what happened here, what is happening, all the companies are spending a lot amount to the marketing, correct?
Yeah.
Because if nobody knows the product, there is less chance that people will buy it.
Yeah.
So companies are spending a lot to the marketing team, to the marketing of a
Mm.
product, right?
Yeah.
Salesforce give where you can automate your marketing, like you can store the information like how many campaigns are running currently, okay?
Mm.
And which means like how many campaigns are running, then how many people are here, the total revenue cost, how much we can expect, and we can also store like how much leads or the customer leads can be generated from there. See, customers in the Salesforce, we call customers as leads, okay? Generally, in the sales
Okay.
term, we call
Okay.
it. And apart from it, like see, customer can be of two types, right? So
Okay.
if you're advertising a product,
Mm.
then two type of customer can came to your
Mm.
uh to the product, right? One who are who want to buy the product, and
Mm.
one who is inquiring, correct?
Yeah.
It's not about like 100% will come and 100% will buy the product. No,
Yeah.
there are few people only will who buy the product, and they'll just there are a couple of people who will see product and then they'll go, correct? So
Yeah.
we all the customers, which is like potential customers, is like who want a serious buyer, and the
Mm.
non-potential customer who just want to inquiring about the product. So we have two types of customer or leads, potential, non-potential. So this
Oh.
both under the leads. Okay. Now you've advertised your product. Now
Mm-hmm.
what you will get from there? Leads, right? Customers you will get,
Yes.
correct?
Yeah.
Okay, how many ways you can get the customer? See, you must be have a website also. People will
Yeah.
visit your website. From there you will get the customer. And in person meet also, right? You will be going somewhere and you will be doing marketing of your product, and from there as well you will get the customer.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of inquiry over the mail as well you will get. So I think four or how many ways, number of ways in incoming you can get. So all the information, let's say whosoever is coming over the mail, over the phone, over the customer care, you must have set up the customer care. Okay, from
Mm-hmm.
there whosoever is inquiring, all the information, all type of customer is coming, right? No matter
Yeah.
it's coming from phone or lead or this website or anything, we
Mm-hmm.
can store all the customer information in a single single table basically.
Okay.
And it should be automatically stored into your we can integrate these things, means like I can integrate
Mm-hmm.
my Salesforce to your website so that anyone can inquiry and it should automatically transmit it to the Salesforce.
Sense.
It will
Oh.
get a record or it will create an account in the Salesforce with the name whatever your customer has for the product. So
Mm-hmm.
it's means like you don't need to do manually things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have option of doing manual also, but
Okay.
it will provide you automation also. So what so sales team can reduce a lot of work. You know that like they don't need to type anything in order to convert the lead to the to to enter the details of a customer. Somebody bought the product, you must have to create an account into your system, right? But you will
Yeah.
be able to know like how many customers are there with you.
Mm-hmm.
So this information can be automatically stored via a API call.
Okay.
Okay, this is like technical term, but I'm just giving you the like advantage of Salesforce. It's
Okay.
automated, so sales team can work on their own things, and entry and everything gonna be taken care automatically by the Salesforce. Okay,
Okay.
but like marketing campaign, you know that, right? Let's say you are doing a internet business, so the
Mm-hmm.
or let's say you are doing any businesses there. Offer will be coming, right? Sometime you will some festival offers you will be retrieving, right? Correct, that happens or
Mm-hmm.
not?
Yeah.
In the
Yeah.
Amazon sale going on, right? So I think
Mm.
these things, so this comes under marketing part. And see, if sale is going on, if you're not promoting that sale, then
Mm.
nobody will able to know, right? If sale is
Yeah.
going on. So what we will do for here, we have a marketing cloud. Okay,
Mm.
very great part. So what we can do is we can all of the customers, all of your customers who are already registered, we can send the email to them automatically, means periodically. For example, like if any offer came right now, so
Okay.
if you want to know your customer like this offer is going on, so
Okay.
you first have to send them an email, right? At least, because you
Mm.
cannot go to each and every house and tell them, correct? You need a
Yeah.
way.
Mm.
So either you will send over the email, okay, and either you will post up banners and everything on the street or something, right? Whatever the people will do right now.
Yeah.
But that doesn't make sense because your customer can be outside also. Currently you're in
Mm.
London, right? Someone
Mm.
is using it in India
Mm.
or in the US. So banner thing will not feasible right here.
Yeah.
What you can do is you can send the auto-generated emails to them, right? So
Yeah.
Salesforce exactly does the same. It will
Mm-hmm.
give you the same email what we get into the what we get in uh, in Amazon deal,
Yeah.
correct? If sale is
Mm.
going on, so then you will be able to see that on your email there'll be a message called like big billion deal, a big billion sale is going on live now,
Mm.
correct? The
Yeah. Yeah.
same way you can also promote your everything using Salesforce, and it will take care with a single click, or
Oh.
or, or you don't need to do anything. Just let's say you have a deal, and in the backend I'll run a process.
Mm.
Okay, I'll run a single process, and from the process everything gonna be sent of your offer related thing to your
Okay.
customers in a single shot. You don't need to worry about anything.
Okay.
Isn't it a good thing, right?
Yeah.
It is less it will save you a lot of time within
Yeah.
a 5, I think within a 10 second of time. it will send it will send the email to all the customers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm just giving you advantage of it.
Okay.
So you can see now how your business is automated, right? How your business is how doing your business is very easy now, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Marketing cloud. Let's say you have a sales cloud now. I'll talk about the sales cloud. So as I told you, customer information, everything gonna be stored automatically by Salesforce. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from it, like if you want to uh that happens. Okay. So now come see you've given a product to the customer. Now you have to provide the service as well, right? Correct. If you're a product, let's say you have a Sony company, you're owner of a
Mm-hmm.
Sony, let's say for example.
Mm-hmm.
So if your camera, you are selling a camera or phones and everything, so you must be having a service provider as well, right? Let's say if
Yes.
any issue came into the camera, then
Mm-hmm.
how should people reach out, right? So they'll be either call you or will create a service ticket, right? Or
Yeah.
they'll visit a service center and everything. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Those service center information also we can store, and we can check like how many tickets are generated in a single day, and it will automatically, let's say you have 10 people. So see,
Yeah.
Sony Sony company is very big and they're providing a lot of services. They're not selling
Yeah.
on the camera, they're selling mobile phones, they're providing a service, and there are a lot
Yeah.
of 10 kind of different work they're doing.
Yeah.
So if camera seller companies, let's say any case register with with the related to camera, then it should be
Mm-hmm.
assigned to a camera engineer, right?
Yeah.
So we have a different things where we can, and it's let's say I raise a ticket via my email, like okay,
Yeah.
I have this problem. So some
Mm-hmm.
support agent will come, right? So
Yeah.
it will assign automatically based on topic to a respective person.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
automatically. If it will see product on topic is camera, it will assign an engineer from camera team. If I see like
Mm-hmm.
it is created on the website, somebody inquiring over the website about the issue, and
Mm-hmm.
if the issue is related to mobile phone, then it should be automatically assigned to mobile engineer.
Okay.
You don't need to assign it manually to someone. Okay, this is the case created, please check it. No, it will assign automatically. That the backend in the backend will put the information of the persons engineers. We'll create a
Oh,
team. Basically, we will create a team. This is the camera
okay.
team, this is the mobile team, okay, anything, and we'll
Okay.
put it. Got it?
Okay.
So isn't it a easy way? The same thing happened with the Paytm is also using the Salesforce before, okay,
Okay.
for handling these service tickets.
Okay.
A lot of cases
Um,
came from the Paytm side. Like customer
okay.
are inquiring about like my payment failed, and so it will assign the case automatically to a respective person who is taking care of the particular thing. Got it?
Yeah, got it. As an admin, do we need to learn all these kind of clouds? Is it sales cloud, marketing cloud, everything? Oh,
I'll be here,
mm,
I'll be giving you a basic information about the things,
okay.
clouds and everything. That there is a specific term in the cloud.
Okay.
So I'll be giving you information of service and sales. Both I'll teach you.
Okay.
That is a see, service cloud and sales cloud are the older cloud and the most popular also, and most used by the companies. Company
Okay.
will sell and will provide the service for sure.
Mm-hmm.
That's why they're very famous. So I'll give you the popular things, whatever going into the market.
Okay. Yeah.
Because if I'll let you learn about this marketing cloud, we have separate classes for that one.
Oh,
We have commerce cloud, there's separate classes for that one. We have
okay.
velocity, we have separate classes. There are, I think, each and every aspect of a customer is covered in Salesforce. We have, you just tell the name whatever you want. See, in the manufacturing cloud,
Mm-hmm.
we have automation, automotive cloud for this vehicle information, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Apart from it, like we have consumer goods cloud for a store, retail engineering.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like very big. Salesforce is very big. We have, I think, I'm in a Salesforce. I'm working 16 products. Now you can understand. 16 products means like different products for different purpose.
Okay.
Net zero cloud, loyalty management. promotion part.
Mm.
Okay, about like there are a lot of things in the Salesforce. It's very much wide right now.
Mm.
That's why your career is in the safe hands.
Mm.
Salesforce is very boom right now, it will do the same in future days as well,
Mhm.
because it's not only a covering a single, it's covering 360. So we have a slogan called customer 360.
Oh.
So you just take the service, whatever you want to automate, we'll do that for you.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's all. For sales, we have sales cloud. For service, we have service cloud. Marketing cloud, we have commerce cloud. We have
Mm.
RCG, we have financial service cloud for banks and all, right?
Mm.
We have a cloud, separate cloud called finance service cloud.
Oh.
Yeah, you just tell the name and we have a cloud for that one. That's why it's
Mm.
very big.
Okay.
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 Now you got to know like how Salesforce is helping the customers, right?
Yeah.
Sales and service
Yeah.
and marketing also. If you
Yeah.
want to run a promotion over the internet, you can send, see, marketing also a way. See, in your Google email, you must be
Mm.
seeing a lot of marketing things, right? By your bank, correct?
Yeah.
If they'll be offering you some EMIs offers, all
Mm.
right? So there, every communication is going on using email only, right? Today, nowadays.
Yeah.
So that Salesforce does take care of these things only. SDFC is using Salesforce, we have a big client. SDFC is using Salesforce. You just tell the name of a bank in the US. Every bank is using the Salesforce right now, and they're
Oh.
using financial cloud to do this, to do this. We can send auto generated emails to the customers.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
So it's very useful.
Mm.
Now you got to know. And one good thing is it's a cloud based. Means you don't need to install any software in your system.
Yeah.
You just have to log in. The way you log in into the Netflix, right?
Mm-hmm.
The way you have to log into the Salesforce. Shall I? If I'll just give you an example of, you just have to type login.salesforce.com, and it will give you a shot of this one. See, you have to just type your username and password. You can use a service. That's
Yeah.
it. As simple as that. Once you log in, you can log into the Salesforce and you can start using the services.
Oh.
The way we are doing in the Netflix. We have to log
Yeah.
into the Netflix and we can see how many pictures are there. Okay, whatever you can do that. That you can do.
Mm.
Got
Mm.
it? Isn't it a
Yeah.
good thing, right?
Yeah.
Before that, what was like? Let's say if you want to use anything, you have to install the software. Then big
Yeah.
software sometimes crashes because of your computer certification. Here
Yeah.
you don't need to worry at all. Just log in and start using
Mm.
service. It's the advantage of cloud right now. So
Oh.
Salesforce maintains a lot of server here. If I'll show you, so the same server what Google is using. This kind of a server we are having.
Mm.
Here your data will be stored, and this server will be 24-hour operated. Means
Oh.
if server will stop, the entire client data will be destroyed. So there will be 24-hour running
Yeah.
for these softwares. So it's a service provider. It's a database also. You can store the data here in the Salesforce.
Mm.
So via internet you can access your data like this way.
Yeah.
Via internet you can data storage, you can use it as an end user. So it's like same Google server also, server room. So this way every, so how, why Google have the server room? Because we have that this information we are searching over the internet, this information should be stored anywhere, right? Then only it can search, correct?
Yeah.
So this information, whatever I'm searching here, let's say I'm searching Netflix over Google.
Mm.
So this information is storing somewhere, right? Then only it's
Mm.
showing to me, correct? If I'll not
Mm.
store the information, it will not come. So
Yeah.
this is the server, Google server.
Yeah.
All the information you are searching over the internet, it's residing in somewhere in the storage.
Yeah.
From storage, it will query and it will give the information to you. That's as simple
Mm.
as that. Biggest data center of Google. So everything is, what is this? It's a cloud. That's why we are in the trend.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. I think that's information about like how Salesforce is storing your data. Salesforce store your data into a Salesforce server. That is very
Mm.
strong server. Okay. In the backend, it's using the Oracle.
Mm.
Okay.
Database.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. It's storing all your information. Did you get my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it's very good. Okay. In terms of this one. And this,
Mm.
whatever you see in the courses, that'll I'll tell you how you can operate the Salesforce software. See, if I gave you a software, let's say I gave you one mobile phone, Samsung or anything.
Mm.
If you don't know how to operate that, you will not be able to see the feature, right?
Yeah.
So first you will learn how to use that mobile phone, right? That's all
Yeah.
we will do in the Salesforce training. We'll
Mm.
know how we can operate the Salesforce software. If you know the Salesforce software operation, then all you would need to do is you have to just start working with the company, and they'll give the requirement. Okay, let's say in mobile phone, I tell you, can you open let's say for example in a mobile phone, I'll show you, can you open the camera and start recording the video. So you know the steps, right? How to start the camera,
Mm.
how to start
Mm.
recording the video, right? That's all. If someone will be saying, can you create an account record for me, then if you know, you can easily do that, right? That
Yeah.
is called as how to operate software. That's all. So I'll teach you these things only.
Okay.
Okay, anything else you want to ask?
Mm. Practice wise, once you finish the classes, how can we practice? Like, is there any separate environment for this to practice the things?
Yes, yes. It's Salesforce give you a free database for you.
Okay.
Very good practice, okay. And we have good thing called Trailhead,
Okay.
where you can use, I'll give the link as well for this thing. This is a sales office side, okay. So it's saying learn Salesforce for
Okay. Free.
free.
Okay. Try.
You can learn Salesforce from here as well. I'll give you the confirmation. And I learn the Salesforce from here also.
Oh.
So I'm a ranger here. Ranger is a rank you'll get in the
Mm.
Salesforce. So I'm a
Okay.
ranger here, right? So I
Mm.
have 1 lakh, around 50,000 points I'm having, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
100 badges. So
Oh.
all is data like I from here. So you can see, like, if you want to kickstart your career, you can click on the Salesforce admin. I'll tell you everything from here.
Mhm.
Now you can see
Okay.
the 30% jobs in 12 months US data. That's
Mm.
all. Salesforce platform basics and everything. I'll tell you everything in the upcoming sessions about it, like how you can learn.
Okay. And do you provide any material for this?
Yeah, I will provide the materials. Basically, this is a material. There's a
Okay.
lot of material here also, and
Okay.
you need what you need. See, there is a lot of things, but I'll provide you those topic wise thing how you can learn.
Okay.
Apart from it, like, I'll give you my notes as well.
Okay.
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 Yeah. And don't worry, you'll get the recordings as well
Mm-hmm.
for the session. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
Mm, that's it.
Anything else
Nothing.
means, like, how you join, how you why you want to do or build a career in Salesforce, and how you got to know about Salesforce. Anything you want to let me know, you can go ahead and
Yeah, like one of my friends, she finished her admin course and she got job and she referred me like it's a very easy thing, no coding, nothing.
So you only
So
want to do admin part, right?
no, actually I want to do both dev as well. I want to learn both.
Okay, cool. Yeah. So I think good way to we are whatever you're doing, that's fine
Mm,
as of
okay.
now.
How many days it will take to finish admin part?
It should take around 40 hours.
40 hours. Okay.
Yeah. 40 hours, if we'll consider it like 1 month around, it should take.
Okay. Okay.
But 1 month means like 40 hours. Now you can divide the days according to your.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. And at the end of the course, you are providing live project, is it? Right.
Live project means, yeah, I'll give you, here in the Salesforce only we have projects. In the Trailhead, we have some sample projects. Okay.
Okay.
That you have to do, and I'll be mentor in that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's say if you got any issue, then I'll be taking care of that one.
No. No.
Okay.
Okay.
All good till now.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll be
Mm,
sharing that information like what is cloud. Okay. What is cloud computing? I told you what is cloud, right?
yeah.
Something you are doing over the internet. Like cloud is what? Your information is over
Store.
the internet. Is stored over
Okay.
the internet, right?
Mm,
How many examples you can tell me about this cloud? So we have a Salesforce. That's fine. What you know about? So okay. Do you know Drive? Google Drive?
yeah, I know.
That is cloud. Completely
Mm,
right. Just have to
yeah.
sign in your account and just upload the files.
Yeah.
The advantage of cloud. Okay. What is the advantage of cloud? You tell me.
Yeah. We can store our data. We
That's
can.
that's one.
Like,
No, data is. I can store data in my laptop also, right? Then why
yeah.
to go to the cloud?
Um.
Correct. Okay, let me tell you. So what? Let's say I store my data in my laptop, in my physical
Okay.
laptop.
Yeah.
Let's say after some time, any corruption came into the hard disk or something. Okay, my data
Yeah.
will be lost. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
But in Google Drive, will they lost the data?
No.
It will be storing years
Yeah.
because they're maintaining a server behind it. I told you the
Mm,
Salesforce server that will never
mm,
end.
okay.
This is one of the good example of cloud computing. Why cloud is in the trendy right now. That's
Okay.
what. And what is cloud computing? Let's say you are doing some operations, or you're performing something over the internet.
Mm,
That is called as cloud computing. Let's say
mm,
over the internet in the Salesforce, you are creating an account.
mm,
In the account, let's say someone bought a product of 1 lakh rupees, and you want to give discount to whosoever bought the product of 1 lakh. You have
mm,
to give 10% of discount or 10% of discount to those people. And whosoever is purchased product less than 50,000
mm,
or 50,000, you want to give the discount of 5%. So what you will do, you need to perform some operations, right? You
yeah.
need to identify what is the person who bought product more than a lakh, more than 1 lakh, right?
Yeah.
That's what you will do, correct?
Yeah.
So you need to perform some operations. Let's say you need to query how many records are here,
Mm,
whoever bought the product. So
mm,
you are doing some operations over there, right? You are
yeah.
doing some business calculation.
Yeah.
That is not the cloud computing. You are doing something over the cloud. Computing means like you are doing some, let's say, addition, subtraction, or anything. That is known as
Mm,
computing also, right? It's a part of computing only.
mm,
Computing you are doing and over the internet. That is called as cloud computing in a easy way. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Now I told you advantage of cloud, right?
Yeah.
And types of clouds, like we have, how many clouds are we have?
Marketing cloud, sales cloud, so many. Mm, customer cloud,
Customer cloud and
product.
Okay.
Mm.
Basically,
Mm.
if I'll show you, okay, you are using Netflix, right? Is it a cloud?
Yeah. Right.
So we have two, three things, right? So we have a public cloud, right? We have a private cloud as well, and we have a hybrid cloud as well, right?
Yeah. What is the difference between those? I don't.
Yeah, so yeah, so difference between these things, if I'll show you in a, so we have basically, what we are doing is we are doing a service over there, right? We have a IaaS, you can see that IaaS, infrastructure as a service.
Mm.
We have PaaS, platform as a service. We have a SaaS, software as a service, right? So we are using Salesforce on this basis,
Yeah.
software as a service. Okay,
Service.
got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the characteristics. Of the difference between these is like this is used for different purposes. Infrastructure you want to provide, you're providing a service for infrastructure, right? You're a service
Mm.
provider service for a platform, okay? Or you are providing service to our customers and everything, right? That counts under the SaaS, whatever we use 90% of the time. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I'll give you the difference between these two, these actually I need to just write the information about here as well, but no worries, I'll give you a document for that one.
Okay.
Wait, let me check once. So having a difference between these also, okay? Private cloud, public cloud, what are they, right?
Yeah.
So public cloud is private cloud is like enterprise softwares, right? Means like they're using see, if any information is there, for example, like if I'll give you some basic example of this one. Let's say the public cloud is what? So it generally, what happens is it's hosted or at a service provider site, like what Salesforce is using. So it supports connectivity over the internet as well. So private cloud is what? You can use the cloud when you connect it to the VPN, right? You've heard about VPN. What is virtual private network?
Yeah. I heard about it.
Sometimes what happens is you are working in an organization,
Mm.
so you can open the services of the for example, a company information or something. If you want to open it, you must have to
Mm.
connect to the VPN. Then only you can open, right?
Yeah.
That comes under the private cloud. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So it doesn't utilize the shared infrastructure. Right? Means like it will not share the it will not share the if I'll give you some single information, so it's a dedicated services for single user.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So they'll monitor you what you're doing.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. And
Okay.
it will be costlier. It will be more costlier than the public cloud. So public cloud, what is doing? It supports multiple customers. So it's having the more security as well, and it will suitable for information which is not very sensitive, right? So
Yeah.
private is public is, you can say that everyone can see over the internet, right? For
Mm.
example, like I'm just searching information over the Google, so everyone
Mm.
can see that information, right?
Yeah.
Or if I'm working in a company, or if I'm opening a company information, let's say some details related to my sales or something, then this information will not be able to, you cannot see that information over the internet, right?
Yeah.
Because I haven't stored the information into my own, into my private thing, right? See, I cannot show you details of a customer list, like how
Yeah.
many customer I have having the contact and everything, right? I cannot
Mm.
post that over the Google. That's why we have a VPN call. So that's why I gave you VPN. Whosoever is connected to the VPN, then only the person can be able to see the service. That's all. That is the difference between private and public cloud. Got it?
Yeah.
Now you got to know what is cloud,
Yeah.
what is cloud computing, and what is types of cloud,
Yeah.
and what's the difference between these. And apart from it, like we have different kind of services of the cloud. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we have a infrastructure as a service. We have a PaaS that is called as platform as a service, or we have SaaS, Salesforce software as a service. Okay, and I'll give you the difference, like how it just work. But you need to focus on this SaaS because I'll be working this only. Okay.
Okay.
I'll not go into detail because this is your first day. Okay.
Okay.
So have you know about? I'll give you an example as well. Do you know what? Have you anywhere you heard about AWS, Amazon Web Services?
Yeah. Yeah. I heard about it.
So what it do?
Uh, it's kind of server
The server is there,
when
correct?
maintain. Um, it provide services.
Yes, it does provide the service.
We can we can deploy our applications in.
So basically, if I'll just give you an example, like it's a basically IaaS means like it's a virtual server
Okay.
that the customer rents, okay, from another company.
Okay.
Let's say I am using a service and I don't have anything. So virtual means like have you in my company I was using one service called I'm having virtual machine. Did you install any actually I was in IBM and I was using the virtual machine there. I was logging to the virtual machine and then only I can operate their softwares.
Oh,
Means this is my window, this is my MacBook, okay.
mm-hmm.
So what they're doing, they'll give you one software, okay, AWS software. From
Okay.
there, they'll give you one dedicated server to me. From there, I can
Okay.
run another laptop, right? Have you heard about this virtual machines?
No.
Okay, if I'll just give you a virtual machine. See, virtual machine is nothing but just a computer resource that uses a software instead of
Mm-hmm.
physical computer. Means I can run another computer into my laptop via a software. I
Oh,
can use features. I can use anything, whatever I want to use. So it's kind of a virtual computer to me.
okay.
Okay, that is called as virtual machine. So it's that is a IaaS
Oh,
example of IaaS. So what I will doing? I'm renting infrastructure. I'm renting infrastructure. Okay, to a AWS. AWS does the same. It's a based of AWS and mix of PaaS as well. Okay, means I do not have any resource, but I want to let's say for example, if I'll give you a good example of it, I sometimes what happens is people buy something over the rent. Let's
okay.
say some if I okay don't consider in a technical way. Let's say I don't have a car. Okay,
Okay.
can I buy the car? Can I rent the car?
Yeah, you can.
So what I'm doing is I'm giving some money instead
Money.
of buying a car. So it will be less costlier for me, right?
Yeah.
correct? To
Yeah.
to buy a car and every spending those things. So it will be easy for me to purchase the car over the like on a rent base and day by or monthly plan, right? It will be easy for me because I don't need the car permanently, correct? So why to spend this much money? That's why it's very important. We can use the services, okay,
Mm.
of other companies providing the services, and I can use and like leverage the service to my employees. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
An example, we can do that. Any doubt?
No.
You got my point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any difficulty you're facing? Like meanwhile, it's easy, right? As of now.
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay, or
Like this is the first day, no? So I'm very new to these terminologies and all. So,
and let me tell you one thing. I'll not be expect much on you for the first day.
yeah.
So so if I'll give an example of this PaaS services, platform as a service. So
Mhm.
I can use, there are a lot of platforms, right? AWS is also comes under the PaaS. It's a
Yeah.
combination of IWS and the PWS both.
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'm using a platform of a company to provide the
Mm.
services. So for example, like we have a Google Cloud,
Yeah.
Microsoft Azure, we have Oracle we are using.
Yeah.
That what I can do, I can use the services of a companies to operate my business. That's all.
No.
Okay.
Mm.
So what is the SaaS? Now software as a services. So
So,
Salesforce is a software as a services. Means
yeah.
you are taking a help of a software to provide service to your clients. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
That what Salesforce is doing. So you are taking services of a software and
Mm.
providing the service to your client.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So basically what it does is it will allow user to connect and to use cloud-based apps over the internet. So Netflix is an example of what? SaaS. Salesforce is an example of what? SaaS. LinkedIn is an example of what? SaaS.
Okay.
What it will do, it will allow users to connect and use cloud-based application over the internet. It's called as SaaS, software as a service. Okay.
Okay.
Google Workspace, Dropbox, Salesforce. These are the SaaS based. So Netflix is what? It's also a SaaS company.
Uh,
Got it? They're using a single server to provide the services.
mm.
So you know advantage of clouds? I told you, right? It's not a breakable easily, right? Years of years you can store data into the cloud, and it's a cheap
Mm.
also. If you want to buy a hard disk or if you want to store 1 TB of data,
Mm.
you need to take a lot of efforts for this one, right? You have to just
Mm.
purchase a computer or something which having the 1 TB of storage. If you want to buy external hard disk also, it will take a lot of in amount in that one. So instead of that, you can just use the service over the cloud, and you go okay, and you can take the advantage there, and it will not never gonna be crash,
Yeah.
and you can access it from anywhere. See, if
Yeah.
your something is stored in your laptop, then you must have to carry your laptop while you are traveling or whatever you're doing, right, to access the
Mm.
things. But in these softwares, you don't need to do anything. Just take any of your computer, okay, anyone's, just log into the Google Drive and take your photos, correct?
Yeah.
Isn't it an easy thing, right? You
Yeah.
need to it reduce the dependencies. You need to remember your username and password, that's all, and that's easy for you. Apart from it, like, you can store a lot of data. It's cheap compared to the physical one.
Mm.
Secure is there. Nobody can access your without a permission.
Yeah.
Okay. After that, these are the main advantage of it. Like what I found is okay.
Yeah.
And you can also think of from your end, like what could be the main one more thing. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So that's all I think about this advantage of cloud, and
Mhm.
I'll give you a document for each and every one. Okay,
Okay.
cloud, what is cloud computing, everything you will get the document.
Okay.
Okay, so we have
Yeah.
service provider examples. It's giving you the example like who is the service provider right now. So like Microsoft Dynamics, you know, right?
Microsoft. Yeah.
Yeah, it's providing a service of Word, MS Office.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Microsoft Dynamics.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
and Salesforce is the one. Yeah, obviously we are using a
Mm.
service. Uh,
Mm.
I'll talk about the advantage of Salesforce.com over the other service providers. So yeah, so there is couple of example, right? There are a lot of difference between these. First of all, the good advantage of it, like there are a lot of cloud. They're not still not cloud. There are a lot of software.com like other service provider which are not
Mm.
cloud based. Salesforce is a cloud based. Apart from it,
Mm.
like Salesforce supports integration
Mm.
of almost every application. Okay, easy to operate. It's a easy to operate software. You can easy to operate this one. Okay, it will be easy for you to operate this one. We have we have better UI as well. Look and feel is very good. Okay, that'll give you the real feel. Okay, whatever you're seeing, it's a visualization, picture visualization, everything you can see it here. Okay, apart from
Mhm.
it, like it is not very much complex to design it. Okay, whatever you see, you have to just to do a lot of things in order to create a report and everything. Apart from it, like server is very strong. This is very secure in terms of your information of a client and everything.
Mhm.
Okay, nobody can leak the information in like this way, so it's secure, much secure than other service providers. In a business, you need security only, correct? There's a first. Okay, if customer believe in you, you can secure the data of a customer. That's all you need. If customer is believing on you, this is the person who can secure my data.
Yeah.
They'll each and every time they'll buy a product.
Yeah.
You are giving them a surety. That what exactly sales will provide you.
Mhm.
Yeah, customer satisfaction is very high here. Apart from it, like we have each and every services. We have each and every aspect of of a business we are covering in the Salesforce. As I told you, we have marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud. Every aspect of business. You just tell the name of a business you are doing. We have a cloud for that one. We have a government cloud. We have industry cloud, industry solutions. Factory you are running a store, you are in a petroleum business, anything, everything we have, net zero cloud, everything we have.
Oh.
We are called as customer 360.
Oh.
Okay, 360 degree we are covering the aspect of a customer. That's all.
Oh.
Yeah, nobody can compare the Salesforce right now. Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Mhm. Yeah.
Now that's all I think I should wind up here only. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Or
Mm.
should I cover more topics? Because it's a first day, right? That's why I'm
Yeah.
mentioning.
Okay.
You got to know, right? What did you want to make you understand?
Yeah.
We are having recording also. Okay, you can watch it later on if you want.
Oh. Yeah.
You don't need to worry about it. I know if you can understand 10% today, that is
Mm.
more than sufficient for me.
Okay.
I cannot expect much. I know that I have experience in teaching, so I know that people will not be able to understand for sure because
Mm.
it's a new step, right? How can I expect?
Mhm. Yeah.
We don't need to worry at all because I'm multiple times I've been there and done that. Okay,
Mm. Oh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anything you want to ask, you can ask me.
Nothing. The initial these topics and all theory part, is it? Not a
Yes,
practical
yes,
one.
yes,
Okay.
yes, 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 yes. See, if you are using a service of us for cloud, then you should know, right, what is cloud and what is like
Yeah.
computing, how
Yeah.
many types of cloud and what Salesforce is. It's a SaaS platform and what.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What the advantage of Salesforce other applications, right? So you can do you should know you should be knowing about these things. Yeah, that's all I think.
Okay.
You can ask me any questions related to your work or anything, any career related things you want to ask. You can ask me.
No, no questions.
No questions. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, so apart from like to from tomorrow, I think we'll cover these things.
Mm.
I'll give you a recap of whatever we discussed so far.
Okay.
I'll give you this one also information. Okay, these are some pricing and related information. Like if you want to buy the Netflix, you must have a price plan, right?
Yeah.
How many like 4 months a plan you must be having. Let's see the plan. I'm not sure. I haven't used a Netflix, but I think you must be having a plans of Netflix.
Yeah, but I don't remember the.
No problem. Uh, I can directly plans. Choose a plan, right? Not now. Next. So see, this is the one, right? These are plans, right?
Yeah.
Premium, standard, basic, mobile. So these are the price list for them. The
Yeah.
same way the Salesforce, we are having this professional version, we have ultimate unlimited, we have group, we have enterprise, right? So these are the additions.
Okay.
And the same we are doing here in the Netflix as well. We have premium. This is the plans, okay? You can use. See, the more good plan, the more service you will get. Correct?
Yeah.
The more higher plan. This so premier is the most higher
Yeah.
plan of Netflix. So like this way, we have a 3-4 types of plan in Salesforce. We have premier, we have signature success. So this is the plans we are
Oh,
you can see the difference. 480p is like 149, 199,
yeah.
and 649. The way Salesforce also does the same.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll be covering these things. We'll compare the additions, like how many things are used. We will say, come the Salesforce release. Okay,
Mm.
okay, got it.
Yeah.
Environments and everything. Okay. Anything you want to ask, or shall I wind up?
Nothing.